So in this video tutorial, that is in the third part of nursery management system. Okay, now we will try to insert some more controls and the corresponding code inside these controls. So here you can see that we have watering section, value temperature, value humidity. Okay, and on left hand side we have certain text boxes and pictures. Okay, now this nursery management system has been designed so that even if a person is like illiterate, so what he can how he can use it, there are these pictures. Okay, that is open Shialata on the top, Crassula red pagoda on the second picture box. In the third, this is open fragilis, and this is sedum adolphi and haworthi, sedum haworthi. Okay, in the fifth. Okay, so these are just as a sample. These are 5 plants. So whenever there is like a sale of one plant, he just need to click one time on the OpenGIA letter, and if it is OpenGIA fragilis, okay, means that the plant which is sold, he or she, the operator of that software, can just click on that particular picture box, and it will calculate amount in USD, number of plant sale, okay, and sale time date. Okay, so now how we can do that? First we will go and we will take our what's called is the text box. Okay, text box. Okay, so I will go and I will take, so this is text box 16, but we have to change its name. We have to change its name to text box 18. Okay, text box 18. Okay, it will show the total amount. Okay, and we will take and we will go and take one more text box, and this is our text box. It will be number of plants sale. It will be under the number of plants sale, like the total number of plants sold, and we have to name it as text box 19. Okay, you can also do it like 6, that is 18 and 19, 18 and 19. Now we will go some bit to right hand side. We will put one more text box, that is we have paste, Control V, and put it here. It is 16. Okay, it don't change its name, and it is 17. Okay, so 16, 17 must be there. We also need to do one more thing. We also need to go to toolbox. We also need to go to what's called as this Windows Media Player. Okay, and we can take it out. And how if there isn't any sort of Window Media Player section in your what's called as program, how you can get that? You need to go to toolbox. You need to go to what's called as the you need to go to toolbox. You need to go to general. Okay, in general, and you must have to click on general. Okay, we have to cross that. Okay, now go to toolbox, go to general, right click on it, go to choose items, go to com components, and here if you have Windows Media Player, okay, you have to take it out and click OK, then it will work. Okay, for you as well. Now we will go and we will double click on this OpenGIA later. Okay, but before that we will go to our code. Okay, this file will be given in the description. You can download it out. Okay, now we have declared these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 9 10 integer type variables. Okay, and we have stored 0 value in them. Okay, so we will minimize it. We will go and we will paste them in public partial class form1. Okay, this is here. Okay, and now these are our public type variable, and they have zeros values stored in them. So we can fetch their values from every control, like push button, like any other thing. Okay, like picture box. Okay, now we will go to picture box 3. We will double click on it, and it will lead us to picture box 3 underscore click function. Okay, and it is related to Elata. So we will go to this our open Elata. So copy this section of code, simply, and click on this like this, paste it out there under picture box 3 underscore click. When you double click the picture box, this Elata one with OpenShift Elata cactus, then you can write the code here. Okay, now we will run it out. Now we will click on that, and now you can see that amount we have is we have given the amount of 45. So, and it's a number of plant sale because the user clicked one time this picture, so number of plant sale is equal to 1. Okay, and this section, where my cursor is, this is for total amount in USD, and this is number of plant sale. Okay, now, and this is the time and date of the plant sold. Okay, again I click, and it is amount becomes 90 and number of plants sale 2. Okay, but when I used to click on red pagoda plant, nothing used to come because we didn't add any code in that. So now we will go and we will double click on this Cresula red pagoda. Again go to file and copy this out, copy this thing, copy this section of code, and again go to our program, form one design, double click on this Cresula red pagoda and paste it out. Okay, again start the code, click on okay, now it is working. Okay, both 1 and 2 are working. Okay, like this. Okay, so total number of plants sold 9, total amount in USD 405. Now again go to the code which is sedum1, control C, and we will go and we will put it, this is sedum, the yellow one, fourth one. Okay, so we will put it here, we will put it there. Okay, so now you can see that it is working properly. Yes, it is working. So now we will go and we will take over the code, copy it out, control C and control V. Now what sort of code it is? Wait, let me see. Hoverthy. Okay, so we will go under Hoverthy. The last one is Hoverthy. Paste it here. Okay, again go to and Fragilis, copy it, this Fragilis code, go up to this, copy and paste it out here. Okay, where? Go to design, double click on Hoverthy. Oh, sorry, Fragilis is on third one. Paste it out here. Okay, now we will run it out. I'm explaining this code to you. Okay, also, so one this. Okay, auto calculation is there. When somebody used to click the photo one time, that plant is sold, its date and time will be calculated and number of plants will be automatically updated. Okay, now we will go for watering section now, that how we can water. This is a dummy watering. Okay, because I can't water. Okay, so actually there is a complete, like you can assume that there is a complete control system with this app. So when we will press the what's called as push button, so the motor will on its own. Okay, so we will take our push button. Okay, from where we can get, okay, wait, let me see, go to toolbox, take one push button. Okay, so this one. Okay, now what we need to do is to, let me see what I can do it, this and this. Okay, I will put it down here. Okay, now this will show us the temperature and humidity and all this. Or wait, it is related to motor on and motor off. Okay, so we will here control C and control V, and this is our second push button. So double click on that and go to again our code and copy this thing out, go to this and paste it out. Now what is this? String f is equal to the file which is actually a video file, which must be given to you, or when you will download the folder, in the description you will also get this file. Okay, and you need to paste the link of the file here. Okay, you need to paste the link of the file here, .mp4, and nothing more is needed to be changed. Okay, and it will work. How it used to work? Because it is okay when we press the motor. Now you can see that our motor is working, and button 2 is doing nothing. Button 2 is doing nothing. Why? Because we didn't add any code. And for motor off, control C, this code in the bottom. Okay, and we will go to form one design, double click on push button 2 and paste it out here. And now it will stop the motor. Okay, now you can see, although this is a dummy part. Okay, button 2 off, button 1, the game will show that it is watering our plants, and it is off. Okay, value of temperature and humidity. So we will take one more push button, and this is also some theoretical type thing. Okay, that when the daytime is there, temperature will be high, and then like this. Okay, so okay, we will go to background image. Anyway, the background image, we will go it like here, local resource, and the image will be given to you. Okay, like this. Okay, so you can press it like this, and this is our image. When somebody, okay, I will remove this button 3 text. Okay, button 3 text. Go and check the text property. Okay, wait, let me see this thing. Okay, remove it out, no need. Okay, when somebody used to click it out. Okay, what sort of code it needed? Copy this code out. Okay, so this thing, control C, and I will paste it down there. Okay, control this. Okay, no, so now when you click the humidity, okay, value of humidity is not shown here. Wait, what is there? I don't know at all, but wait, value of temperature, value of humidity. Okay, wait, let me see. Text box 16, text box 17, and this is which text button 3. Okay, wait, we have to comment them down. Okay, 16, 17, and F and I, and okay, so now we will run it out. It is not showing any sort of response. Wait, let me see. String and for, okay, wait, let me see it out on console. Okay, 16.text is equal to RR. Okay, RR. Okay, so let me see, either it is going to give me anything. Wait, either, okay, it is showing some error. Okay, text box 16, GG of 10 and GG of 11. Yeah, it is like that. Okay, so here I will write console.writeLine. Okay, wait, let me see it out, and console.writeLine of RR. Start it and click it. Okay, again it is showing like that. Click it out. Okay, wait, let me check that either we are the proper button. 16 and 17. Yes, it is like that. 16. Okay, and nothing is going to work like that. Okay, let me see what is the problem. So I will write message box. Okay, message box dot show. Okay, message box dot show, and here I will write RR. Okay, that what is RR? Oh, what is this? Okay, wait, what they are saying character? Okay, we can't show character. Wait, let me see. Okay, we will convert string vg is equal to like rr dot to string. Okay, now vv is equal to, so here we will write vg. Okay, it will show that what it is like that. Wait, let me see. Let me press the button. This shows 1. Okay, if rr is equal to, yes, if it is 1, because it is 1 o'clock. Yes, it is 1. And okay, right, I will set the condition that if vg is equal to, oh, sorry, if rr is equal to just 1, okay, then it is like 55 and 14 or 12 degrees Celsius. Okay, now I will run it out and it will give, because it has checked on time. Okay, yes, now 12 degrees Celsius and 55% humidity. Okay, so but okay, this is the dummy part. Okay, this is the dummy part. Okay, it is just for like a good feature for school projects or like your university project. Okay, and like, okay, now I will come to the explanation of the code. Now what is this? Now all the code is same and alike. Okay, all the code is same and alike. Okay, so what I need to explain to you. Okay, so when somebody used to click the first picture box, then this code will get executed. Okay, we have defined a variable that is called as count. Count is of integer data type, and on every click count is equal to count plus 1, means that it is increased for one time. Okay, it is increased by one time. And eleta is equal to eleta plus 45. We have already declared eleta on the top. You can see that, and 0 is stored inside it. And eleta is equal to eleta plus 45. So every time when somebody used to click it, 45 will be added to the what's called as the picture to the eleta variable. So every time somebody used to click the picture, its price will be increased by 45 and count is increased by 1. Then we have to convert both the count and eleta to string, and with the help of .toString function we used to do it. And then after it is converted, count and eleta both will be converted to string. They will be stored inside ff and el, and text box 15.text is equal to ff and text box 1.text is equal to el. Okay, so they both will be represented to the in text box 15 and text box 1. Okay, so and which is text box 15? This is text box 1 and this is text box 15. Okay, and date time now dot now function will give us the runtime or now the time and date on that particular time when the picture box is clicked. Okay, then it is converted to string with the help of .toString function, and then it will be stored inside this gg. Okay, which is actually a string type variable. Then text box 6.text is equal to gg, means that what is inside gg must be displayed on text box 6.text. Okay, so where is text box 6? This is text box 6. Okay, so date time now will be shown here. Now int amount is equal to eleta 1, phrase list 2. Okay, now this variable will plus all the amount from everywhere, from all the functions. Okay, picture box 3, picture box 1 up to picture box 4. Okay, 3, 4. So it will So it will be added. It will be added. So Havarti plus Illeta plus Sedum, Freles, and all the amount. And amount 22, then it will be converted to string, because we can only show the string type data on text box, in text boxes, okay, and not neither, and we can't like show them as integer or any other data type. Then we will also use to count all the count, okay, on every click count variable will get updated and it will be stored inside this R. So it will give us the total count of the plants sold today. Then it will be converted to string and then will be shown on text box 19. And where is text box 19? This is text box 19. Total amount will be shown in text box 18, and total, okay, will be shown, total count will be shown on text box 19. Now we will run it out. Okay, now this thing 1 2 3 4, and we have selected different prices, like this is 65, 45, and this is also 65. So like this you can see that it will be automatically, okay. And if you want to add like 100 pictures, okay, or even we can write the name of the plants, okay. So we just need to click on the plant that it is sold, okay, and it will tell us about the time and also the total count and total amount. So this is a very simple visual project. So hopefully you got the concept. It will help you a little bit. It is not we can't say that it is a professional one, okay. It is just helps you in your school project and your college project for learning, okay. And one more thing, that in next video I will try to make it a little bit some complicated management system, so it will perform a lot of function. So your every comment will be answered, so feel free to comment, and thanks for visiting our channel.